This for our school just go by this way, then start from 7 a.m. until 11. The restaurant.
Yes.
And your room also have include breakfast.
Yes.
In the morning you come down here, there
Yes.
is a meal. Just get your room number test.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we have another restaurant, it's just over there, next to the restaurant. We have another building, see the first one and the second. So we have the sky bar,
Oh.
and you can see view of the city. You can you can go for riverside.
Yeah.
That in front of the